What's up, YouTube Nation? This is a tabletop review of the SOG Safety Model FF28CP, a knife classified as an EDC and multifunction rescue knife. So we'll go over some of the knife specs before we dig into it. The overall length is 7.765 inches. The blade is 3.25 inches. It is 0.16 inches thick. Drop point blade style. The steel is an 8CR 13MOV steel with a Rockwell of 55 to 57. The handle is a glass reinforced nylon with these sort of golf ball like dimples in it. Provides moderate traction, and I think it looks pretty cool. It's got some jimping here on the top side. Nice bite to that. Same thing on the underside. And I like the contrast between the black handles and the jimping. Looks pretty cool. It's got some jimping here on the top, though purely cosmetic in my opinion. The reason being because it feels slightly rounded off, and in the coating adds to that slick factor. You can probably mod it, take a Dremel tool to it or something like that, but I'm not too impressed with, the jimping there on the top. It's got these thumb studs, which in my opinion, they're okay, but my issue with it is that it came swiveling like that. They're connected. Hasn't loosened up any further since I've, had it. Maybe the knife was designed like that, I don't know, but it bugs. I'll probably be applying some Loctite to that. Standard liner lock, nothing fancy there, but it does lock up very nicely. It does deploy very fast. Pretty cool. The edge retention is moderate. As with many other SOG knives, it didn't come hair popping sharp out of the box. I had to retouch it up, but I like doing that sort of thing anyway, so it's not too big of a deal. The underside has this, a seatbelt cutter, which is pretty effective. I cut some nylon straps with it and it cut through that pretty well. It's got a thumb stud on it. Opposite side has a can opener, also with a thumb stud. The tools came pretty tight in there. It's pretty hard to open them up, so I loosened that up a little bit. You can loosen it up here with a Torx screw. Solve that pretty quickly. The bottom has a reinforced glass breaker. I like the ergonomics of the knife. Feels very good in hand, especially with all the bite around the knife. I think it provides a solid purchase in hand. Some people may not like those teeth there on the bottom. Barehanded may dig into your skin. I personally like it. It feels secure in hand, but you can also wear gloves with it. It feels pretty comfortable. Very nicely balanced. It comes in weighing at 3.2 ounces, so that's pretty cool. Overall, I think it's very good value for the price point. You can get these for about $25 to $30, depending, where you get it, of course. But I think it's a good tool for like an EMT, paramedic, that sort of thing. Very good for the value. Highly recommend it. You're not going to break the bank, like I said, so I think the value is definitely there. And that is the SOG Safety Model FF28CP. And I thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.